The princess trusts me completely. In all the years she's been my mentor, she's never once doubted me. Spike!
What? Look! 2 tickets!
Wow, great! I've never been to the gala. Have you, Spike?
No.
Well, wallop my wither, Spike. Isn't that just like a boy? Can't handle the least bit of sentiment.
Whoa, Millie!
Get to the gala.
Not that I know of.
Does my breath stink? Going for dessert.
You see, Spike, you should never give up. There's nothing we can't overcome if we all work together.
The princess has been sending these since I came back upstairs.
I've written to the princess since I've lived in Ponyville. But why would she send them back? Real friends don't care. Fight for my friendship. Oh, why don't you just stay here and rest? I'll take care of the whole fighting for friendship thing myself. You, Spike?
I love it.
Hey, look, we're here already. Should we get something to eat?